the largest animals in the world. Today, we shall take a study on the largest animals in the world. According to evolution, life began in water. This means that every animal that is on land today would have its ancestry traced to water. Over time, this animal species developed certain features necessary for survival and maintenance of lineage according to the ecological habitats and niches they would later inherit. It is logical to think that these animal species should be getting bigger along their evolutional advancements since they would acquire features that their ancestors never had. For example, according to the evolutionary trend, fishes which breathe with the gills and lax limbs predates the amphibians and the reptiles which have acquired lungs and limbs for respiration and movement respectively. It is therefore expected that the reptiles and the amphibians should be bigger than the fishes. Is this actually the case? Doesn't nature have a way of presenting us with surprises? This concise study of the largest animals in the world with their estimated body masses and weights will help you answer that question effectively. For the sake of fairness, this study will represent different categories of animals. The largest insect. The biggest insect in the world is the Titan beetle. This advanced cockroach-like insect is found mainly in South America. The Titan beetle attains a length of up to 6.5 inches and a weight of 100 grams. This huge beetle equipped with very sharp claws and strong mandibles that are strong enough to snap a pencil. The largest crustacean. When you hear about crustacean, which animal comes to your mind? Crustaceans are animals belonging to the subphylum Arthropoda. Animals such as shrimp, lobster, crabs are members of this group. The largest known crustacean is the Japanese spider crab. In 1921, a Japanese spider crab was recorded to be 12 feet long and 19 kilograms weight. You can't imagine a crab as long as a Volkswagen Beetle car. The largest amphibian. The amphibians are part of the phenomenal animals described as tetrapods that left water to live in water. The members of this group include frogs, toads, and salamanders. The biggest amphibian in the world is the Chinese giant salamander. This animal weighs up to 60 kilograms and grows up to 6 feet in length. Let me inform you that this is longer than the length of an averagely tall human. The Chinese giant salamanders are known as living fossils with regards to how they have modified from their ancestors. They are also endangered species. The largest reptile. The largest reptile lives in the brackish and salt waters, thus the name, saltwater crocodile. The saltwater crocodile can grow to 21 feet length and 453 kilograms in weight. These crocodiles have no child as they feed on all animals their teeth lay hold on, including sharks. I don't think they may spare you either. The largest fish. The largest fish in the world is the whale shark. This fish weighs up to 22 tons and can grow up to 40 feet in length. The whale shark presents one of the most impressive sights in the large water bodies. They, however, need your prayers as they're constantly been hunted in some areas and therefore vulnerable. Birds. The ostrich can grow to a height of 9 feet and 156 kilograms in weight to become the largest bird in the world. They stand about 2 feet taller than an averagely tall human, which makes it possible for them to peck on people's eyes. The ostrich also possesses the biggest pair of eyes among other birds on Earth. They have approximately 2 inches diameter eyeballs. The largest land animals. The largest land animal is the African elephant. They grow to 35 feet, that is approximately 11 meters from trunk to tail with a shoulder height of 13 feet. The African elephant, which can be either of the forest or savanna breeds, can weigh up to 6,350 kilograms. The largest mammal. Mammals are the category of animals that born their young ones alive and possess mammary glands. The blue whale is the largest mammal and, in fact, the largest animal in the world. Isn't it amazing that are known to live on land, while their largest species live in water? The blue whale grows up to 180 tons in weight and 9.8 feet in length. They are bigger than any known dinosaur that ever lived. What about humans? The tallest living man according to the Guinness World Record is Sultan Qasim, a Turkish farmer, born on the 10th day of December 1982. Qasim stands at 8 feet, 2.82 inches. Sultan Qasim is, however, the 7th tallest man in history. This exceptionally tall man does not walk without crutches since his tallness is sequel to the conditions, gigantism and acromegaly, caused by a tumor affecting his pituitary gland. Meanwhile, let me quickly inform you that the average height of a man is 5 feet, 9 inches. The World Guinness World Record also has it that the heaviest man ever lived in the world is John Browner Minnick. Mr. Minnick, though with complications and fluctuations in weight, weighed 975 pounds. In 1978, it took over a dozen firemen and a very large and specific stretcher to get John Browner Minnick to the hospital following a serious health complication. You could now imagine the kind of hospital bed that could serve him. Meanwhile, the average weight of humans over the age of 20 is 60 to 90 kilograms, that is about 199 pounds. I think that the height of Sultan Qasim and the weight of John Browner Minnick almost qualified man as a higher animal. Don't you also think so? Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more.